skills to make creative designs? So starting a gift wrapping business can be a lucrative opportunity for you. A gift wrapping business provides services for people who want to wrap their own gifts for birthdays, holidays, weddings, or other special occasions. This is a service that is used for many different purposes. The demand for this service is very high in the market, and anyone can start it from home. If you want to learn how to start a gift wrapping business, watch the complete tutorial. I have clearly explained each step, which will help you create your successful brand. Step 1. Identify your target customer. Before launching the gift wrapping service in the market, identify the target audience, know the competition, and analyze what type of gift wrap is mostly demanded. Gift wrapping businesses can target those consumers who want to wrap their gifts to give someone else, for different purposes, such as birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, functions, parties, celebrations, and others. Step 2. Develop a business plan. Several considerations are necessary for planning and strategy before building a successful venture. To create a successful gift wrapping business, you will need to develop a comprehensive business plan. Here are some key points to consider. Identify your target market. Who is your target audience for gift wrapping services? Are you focusing on individuals, businesses, or both? Develop a unique selling proposition. Determine your pricing. Create a marketing plan. Develop a budget. Create a plan for growth. Step 3. Set up your workspace. In the gift wrapping business, a workspace is crucial. It not only helps in keeping the workstation organized but also helps in making the work easier. A workspace for a gift wrapping business should be large and well furnished for easy working. Some other important things are shelves, tables, and racks to store products and tools like scissors, tape, ribbons, etc. Step 4. Buy gift wrapping supplies and equipment. The next step to starting a gift wrapping business is buy the right supplies, equipment, and packaging material. All materials and supplies are available on the market. You can buy from online or offline stores. There are many different types of gift wrap supplies and equipment that you can buy, such as gift wrap rolls, ribbon, tape, scissor, cutter, glue, wrapping paper, packaging material, etc. Step 5. Learn how to wrap gifts. Creating an attractive gift wrap requires a unique skill. To learn how to wrap a gift, you can't try looking for instructional videos or tutorials online. You could also try asking someone who is skilled at gift wrapping for guidance. Or you could try practicing on your own and experimenting with different techniques until you find a method that works for you. Some key things to keep in mind when wrapping a gift are to use high-quality wrapping paper, to measure the paper carefully so you have enough to cover the gift, and to use tape sparingly to avoid making the gift look cluttered or messy. Step 6. Pricing for gift wrapping. Set up the price you want to charge for the gift wrapping service, and create a menu that includes the price per design-wise. When setting up the prices, research the market, see how much your competitors are charging, and try to offer better wrapping service at a lower price to your customer. The pricing also depends on the material, size, and customization. Marketing is an essential part of any business. It is a process to generate awareness of your product or service, and to build a brand. Marketing is the process of communicating the value of your products or services to potential customers, which in turn will lead them to buy them. Create a website for business, open local stores, start an online service. Social media marketing. There are many different types of marketing techniques that are used by businesses, such as advertising, publicity, and sales promotion. I hope and learn something. If you have any other doubts, you can tell me in comments. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.